I know how frustrating it can be to start and grow a successful YouTube channel from absolutely zero, from filming to editing to thumbnails to figuring out what the heck is this SEO thing. I have done it 4 times already. And then when you wake up the next day and you're like, why don't I have any new subscribers? And then you refresh throughout the day to see if you got any more subscribers. I have done that plenty of times. If you can relate to that, make sure you let us know in the comments box below. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 secrets to help you gain 100 subscribers every single day. In fact, these 5 secrets are the ones that I'm going to be using on the relaunch of one of my YouTube channels, Andrea Jean Fitness. Number 1 is this: if you want to grow faster on YouTube and get 100 subscribers every single day, you need to upload more often. In fact, my largest channel, Andrea Jean Cleaning, after I gained 100,000 subscribers, I thought to myself, how quickly could I gain 100,000 more? I uploaded every single day for 3 months. Now for me, that is not sustainable for long periods of time. I would burn out. In fact, I once asked a YouTube employee through the YouTube chat function on the back end, I said, hey, what would it take for me to get to 1 million subscribers within the next year? And can you guess what he said? Upload every single day. I was like, heck to the no. So does uploading more grow your channel faster? Yes, absolutely. You get rewarded. You pay to play, but you have to really assess how often you can upload and stick with that. Here's what most people do. They upload a ton, they get all crazy, they get all excited, they're like, yes, I'm ready to do this. And then they realize growth takes some time and then they quit. So I don't want that to be you, but also know in the back of your mind, when you upload more frequently, you will grow faster. We got the sun moving around here in my office. Secret number 2 to help you gain 100 subscribers faster: make videos that people want to see, topics that people want to see. If you are creating those topics, you will grow faster. Here's how I know that something is viral on YouTube. If I check on my homepage and I see a video pop up from a creator that I have never seen before, chances are that topic is a highly sought after topic. That's why it's landing on my YouTube homepage from a complete stranger, someone I've never watched their YouTube videos before. So create topics that people want. I got all kinds of weird lighting issues here today. We're just going with it. Okay, secret number 3. You need to have compelling titles, something of interest, something of curiosity. Think of any sort of email that lands in your inbox from a newsletter or business or company that you signed up for. Those subject lines are catchy, like 50% off sale ends tonight, where your YouTube thumbnails are no different. Book titles are the exact same way. 15 million copies sold of this book right here. Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich. What do you mean I can grow rich? Just by thinking about it? Yes, that's a piece. Yes, you can. I mean, to some extent. You need to have catchy titles in order for people to click on your videos. By the way, if you want to know what other books that I'm reading, I have that linked in the Amazon store in the description box. Let me give you a specific example of how I've done this. Look at this video right here. Dump washing powder in your toilet and watch what happens. I want to know, what is she gonna do when she dumps that washing powder in her toilet? Is it gonna explode? Is it gonna fizz? Is it gonna like wipe away all the dirt that's in there? That's a compelling title. All right, secret number 4 to help you grow 100 subscribers every single day. Make sure that you have a YouTube trailer, which is a video that new subscribers or returning subscribers can see on your channel. One of your best videos. Maybe it's a highly viewed video. Maybe it's something like I have done, which is my story, how I went from foster care to being a 6-figure entrepreneur with YouTube, and my story and my journey and what got me started on YouTube in the first place, because I know many of you can relate to that story. So it's up to you what you want to put in that trailer. Also, make sure that you have YouTube channel banner art. It's the first thing that you see on the top of your YouTube right here when you go into somebody's page. Now, I do have a video linked in the description box below where I have a free template if you want to learn how to upgrade your YouTube channel art. Here's what you don't want to do with your YouTube channel art or banner, whatever you want to call it. You don't want to be like, look at how cool I am. Look at day in the life of Andrea Jean. I'm so cool. Look at my travels and adventures. Because remember, when you are small and just starting out, no one's interested in what's going on with you. You know what happens when I am watching your YouTube videos? When I'm watching your videos, you know what I'm thinking about? What's in it for me? What am I gonna gain from watching your videos? So make sure that your YouTube channel art and banner speaks to the value that you offer to someone taking their precious time to consume your content. The number 5 way to get 100 subscribers every single day on YouTube is this. You are gonna wanna do this on every single video. You need a powerful CTA, otherwise known as a call to action. And let me tell you why. One of the most valuable metrics to YouTube is watch time. So if you can get someone to watch one video, and then another video, and then another video, that is clues to YouTube that, hey, this person is liking this content. I'm gonna show more of this person's content on their homepage or their suggested. Or if you're searching on YouTube, the YouTube algorithm is like, hey, let's pop in some of that creator's videos that are somewhat related, or it will say towards the bottom, suggested for you. So what is a call to action? Give this video a thumbs up, watch this video right here on X, Y, and Z that you would find beneficial for X, Y, and Z. Leave a comment in the description box below. If you can get somebody to engage with your content, amazing. So tell your viewer what you would like them to do next. Otherwise, here's what's gonna happen. YouTube is gonna have something nice in the bottom if you're viewing it on mobile device, which most people are on here, that's suggested video, okay? You don't want YouTube to suggest your viewer another video that is not yours. So your goal is to get them to stay and watch another one of your videos. And if you did a great job in that first video, the viewer who's already started a relationship with you is more likely to watch another one of your videos. And it's a win-win. So here's my call to action to you. Give this video a thumbs up. Also in the description box below, I have a free checklist for you. It's 12 musts to help you have a successful YouTube channel. I want to save you the most amount of time. And then check out this video right here about how to start a successful YouTube channel and make some money with your efforts.